This is the Grand River in Ashtabula County, just south of Austinburg, Ohio. And we are at the Upper Grand River Metro Park for the Ashtabula County Metro Parks, getting ready to take a hike. I wanted to show you a scene of this. The river is beautiful and peaceful. We have some sunshine today. And I'm at an area where they would where they can launch kayaks and other types of boats down here, smaller boats, I would say. All right, I want to thank you for watching. Join me on the hike that I'll have. That'll be the longer video, and we'll see just how beautiful this area is. All right, thank you very much.